Mga kaibigan, good morning once again. Good morning to all the people around the universe. Sa lahat ng mga taong nagtatago sa ibabaw, sa ilalim ng lupa. Mga kaibigan, kaninyong tanan mayong buntag. Especially from the people of Italy. Buongiorno. Thank you so much to all the people of Middle East country. Good morning. Mga kaibigan, wala po tayong ibang pinag-uusapan dito. It's all about, I am not an expert. It's all about law. No? Lahat po tayo ay nakasalalay sa batas ng ating bansa. You know guys, the countries without the proper or the chronological and the due process and transparency of the due process of law sa ating bansa ay hindi po maganda po ang takbo ng bansa sa isang bansa po, mga kaibigan. The most very important thing of this universe is even God. They are created first law. No? Alam po niya na magkakamali at magiging masama po ang tao. Kaya may batas po siyang ginagawa para sa lupa at para sa tao. So that's why tayong lahat, no? Especially for those people who are working in the government and to become a tools of the government as considered as a public employee of this universe, especially here in the country, in the Philippines. Yan ang mga kaibigan, wala pong iba na batayan po nating lahat. Even though you are the graduate, you are the doctorate, we are the doctorate, we are the masterals of everything, credentials, titles, and many others. Wala yan. But the only one thing, the respect, the loyalty, the faithfulness, and yan po ang magiging batayan ho natin para sa ating constitution. Philippine constitutions is the biggest and the greatest things for the Filipino people, especially for those people as a tools of the government here in the country. As considered as a public employee, there are two. They are done by elections, or they elected by law and appointed by law, mga kaibigan. Those who are elected by law, especially done by the elections, you serve for 3 years and more than that, mga kaibigan. So you promise the Filipino people and the Philippine island in the archipelagic nations to serve and to uplift our constitutions, not to corrupt the money of the ordinary Filipino citizens from the taxes of our Filipino citizens of this country, mga kaibigan, and to making conflict towards the same with us in the politics, you know guys. And they appointed by law of this government, just do it what is work within our heart. That is the most biggest things, to the greatest things, that God is God, because God is goodness. God is can balance everything. So that's why, you know, that is the very very important thing in this life. Kasi hindi po lahat ng tao. Kasi may mga iilan lang dyan, dito lang sa Pilipinas yan mangyayari. That the constitutions allowing us, allowing everybody, even you are not a graduate or a certain professions, and then you can run by the politics. And afterwards, magiging magkukurakot pa rin kayo ng pera ng taong bayan. Wala kong ibang ginagawa ng mga ibang mga politiko dyan, ay nagkukurakot ng mga pera ng taong bayan. There is no political spectrum of this country as a law mandates, as a Philippine constitutions. So that's why we need to follow a certain rules of law in this country. Even though we are not an expert to say, to express about this, but we need to understand the law of God, the law of the divine human creations, and the law of the progressive economy of the land, especially here in the country.